Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Google Keep user, you've probably run into one big frustration. There's no built-in way to automatically sort your lists. Sounds inconvenient, right? But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through two simple, foolproof methods to organize your Google Keep lists in 2025. Stick with me till the end, and you'll be managing your notes like a pro. Why this matters. Google Keep is amazing for quick notes and checklists, but the lack of sorting tools can make things messy, especially if you're dealing with long shopping lists, project tasks, or study notes. The good news? With a little know-how, you can still take full control of how your lists are organized. Solution 1. Manual reordering. First up, the simplest method, click and drag. Open Google Keep by heading to your Google Apps grid and selecting Keep Find the Note with your list and open it. To reorder, just click and hold an item, drag it to where you want it, and release. This method gives you complete flexibility and works great if you only need to shuffle a few items around. It's quick, intuitive, and keeps everything inside Google Keep. Solution 2. The text editor workaround. Now, if you've got a really long list or you want to sort alphabetically or by priority, the manual method can get tiring. That's where the text editor trick comes in. Copy your entire list from Google Keep. Paste it into a text editor like Notepad, Google Docs, or Word. Use the editor's built-in sorting tools to organize everything automatically. Once you're happy with it, copy the sorted list and paste it back into Google Keep. It's a little extra effort, but it gives you more powerful sorting options than Google Keep currently provides. So to recap, for quick adjustments, use the manual drag and drop method right inside Keep. For longer or more complex lists, copy them into a text editor, sort with advanced tools, and paste them back. Either way, you'll have a cleaner, more organized Google Keep that actually works for you. And that's it. Two easy ways to sort Google Keep lists in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tips. Got questions or another method you use? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.